I got this plain mirror and decided to do something really bold to brighten it up, so keep watching. I started out by gently sanding it with 120 grit sandpaper. Then I used a solution of sugar soap and water in a spray bottle to clean it. I taped the inside edges and used Saltwater by Dixie Belle to give myself a brighter background and a better surface for decoupage. I used Modpodge matte finish decoupage glue to start attaching this beautiful blue paper by Décopatch. Everything I've used, including the decoupage paper, is linked in the description below. Once the decoupage glue was dry, I used a Stanley knife to run along the edges before pulling the tape off. I used a fine grade sanding sponge to gently trim the outside edges. I repaired a couple of areas that got damaged when I was taking off the tape, and then it was almost finished. This is a wax finish varnish from Polyvine. It gives you the effect of a wax finish with a little extra protection and without having to risk damaging the decoupage with the application of a hard wax. And that is the finished result. I got a neat, tidy finish, and I think this could be a really pretty addition to a neutral coloured dressing table, or maybe a pop of colour in a guest bedroom. If you enjoyed the video, then please hit like and subscribe, and be sure to let me know what you think of the finished look in the comments below. See you next time!